Welcome back to Josie's Fun Kitchen. Before I even start, I want to thank all of you subscribers who are subscribing and sharing my YouTube station and urging people to subscribe to Josie's Fun Kitchen. I really appreciate it. Please remember to turn on those notifications. I have a cat laying here on the floor, which I'm not going to go, but I do appreciate turning on the notifications. I'll explain why my cats are in here. It's because today I am going to make some seared scallops. And also as a side dish, I am going to show you how I make some cauliflower rice. And here are all the different ingredients, and I'm going to prep it. We got garlic, not a whole lot of garlic, jalapeno pepper, and this is for the rice. I'm going to make that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the seared scallops. But because the cauliflower rice takes a little bit longer, and those take minutes to make. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do all this today. So I'm going to make a whole meal. So today I am also going to throw in some asparagus. I drizzled this with olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm going to put it into my 400-degree oven. I'll be back in Josie's Fun Kitchen. Let me put my hair back on first. I'm just prepping this stuff for this cauliflower rice. I'm going to leave this here. We're going to use cilantro. Got a little bit of lime juice. I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this into this little glass. And you're going to have about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons for this dish. I use these little glasses, which I kind of love going to a Williams-Sonoma, any cooking store. It's about 2.5 tablespoons. Let's see, 1 ounce. I'm going to do 1 jalapeno pepper. I don't want to make it too spicy. And I'm going to seed the jalapeno pepper because, again, if you use the seeds, it can be very hot. And it's easy. Pop them right out. You can actually use a smaller knife if you want, a paring knife. And because my trash can is right here, thanks to Sun Design, who designed my kitchen. Chop this up, or mince this up actually. All right, I'm gonna use some light olive oil, tablespoon. Looks like I'm putting a lot more in. I'm not. And a little sliver of butter. You gotta always have butter. Because this I'm gonna use for my scallops. So I'm going to wait for this to melt. I have it on medium-high heat. You know what? I like to put peppers in first because they take a few seconds longer than the scallions don't take that long. So just mix this up. Next is the garlic. Put the garlic in here. And remember, I have this on medium-high heat. And I'm going to move it down to medium because I do not want to burn anything. Then I'm going to take these onions, scallions, put them in there. And now we're going to season them. Mix it up. Take some black pepper. Looking at you going, half a teaspoon. Some salt, because we're going to do that again. Mix this up. I'm sauteing it, let's say for about a minute, 2 minutes, until it softens up, because it looks like it's softening up right now. want to saute this. If you want, put some more butter in it if you want. I'm not going to. You want to get the rawness out of here. So for about 5 minutes. Now, while I'm doing this, I have it on medium, low. I'm going to take my asparagus and put that in the oven. This takes about another 10 minutes. So really what we're doing is with meals, you have to orchestrate. It's like an orchestra. I am the conductor. I'm going to make sure that everything is finished for the most part at the same time so we can feed people at the same time. But as this is cooking, I'm gonna put this in. I like my asparagus kind of crunchy. Let's get this going. So while we're doing this, again, I want to thank everybody. The printable recipe is going to be below along with the ingredients, but please do subscribe and turn those notifications on. I'm getting excited because the notifications are increasing. And also, if you have a meeting or anything that you would like to have a live demo, please call me or reach out to me at Josie at Josie's Fun Kitchen. And I can talk to you about putting together a live demo or even a taped demo if you'd like. All right. You need to pat your scallops dry. These are pretty dry. I had them out. Well, not for very long, but I had these out. So I want to make sure that they're dry. You can see that they are. I'm going to put salt and pepper on the top and then place them into the skillet, in the cast iron skillet. I want this piping hot. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of canola oil in there. For now, I'm putting it on kind of like a low temperature because once this is finished, I'm gonna move this off to the side. And I just want to soften this. It smells pretty good. Soften the cauliflower. When it's finished, I'm going to take this cilantro, throw it in there. Soften. I'm going to turn this off. Turn off the heat. We're going to put the cilantro. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to salt and pepper these scallions. Why do I keep saying scallions? And then I'm gonna say shallots. My husband goes, shallots are kind of garlic and onions. These scallops. Let's put some salt on it. Well, you know what? Yeah, just quickly because I'm putting them in right now because I don't want the liquid to draw out. Where's my palm? Oh, here it is. So by the time this is finished, my asparagus is going to be finished. So what we want to do is I'm going to put these, hear that? Face down, make sure that there's room behind them. All right, this is going to be 2 minutes on this side. I'm not touching it, but what I'm going to do is I'm seasoning on the top now. When I turn it, that's when I'm going to add the butter. And then at the end, oh wow, this smells so good. And looks beautiful. Guess what's finished? Tent this. See how it all is timing out? Okay, this is 2 minutes. I'm gonna flip these. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Another 2 minutes. I'm gonna put that butter right in there. It's melting. finished. Now, I'm gonna start tilting this, and we have a spoon, and what you're gonna do is pour this over top. It's supposed to be 135, 140. Let's try that one. Just about done. Here we go. I want to take them out of this right away because the cast iron skillet holds the heat. And let's see, we are done. Let's put it on this dish. I think this dish is going to be pretty. One, get these out of here. Nice. Let me. Squeeze some lemon juice on here. Beautiful. Voila. Okay, we are ready for the taste test. Look at that. All right, so just to recap, what we did is I made cauliflower rice, and I have cilantro, green onions, garlic, and a jalapeno pepper in there. Mixed it up until it's softened. You don't want that raw taste to it, and you don't want it too mushy. Then I made the, let's see, scallops again, but, oh, I said scallops. And I made some, while I was making all this, you put your asparagus into a 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Just drizzle some olive oil on it, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. So let's see. Okay, good. I'm just gonna use the scallop. Very good. Yum, yummy, yum. Sweet, tender, very good. Let's do some. Okay. Instead of rice, make this. This is delicious. And of course, you can't go wrong with asparagus. You want a healthy meal? Oh, that asparagus is perfect. Make this delicious. You can actually serve this for three, 4 people if you want. Let's say 4 scallops for each person. This is really, really good. So anyway, we're finished, and I have some Sauvignon Blanc that I'm having with this meal. I think that's perfect with this meal. It's nice and light and fresh and healthy feeling. So there we go, another episode of Josie's Fun Kitchen. Please subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. Remember, there's that notification bell that you need to turn on, and turn on all the notifications so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. Thank you again, really appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you next time from Josie's Fun Kitchen. Cheers, Živio, na zdravia, okole malu, no, okole. I don't know what, there's a Hawaiian thing I have to ask my son. Anyway, cheers.